Hi girls, this is Miss Page here. Happy Wednesday. Today we are on Module 7, Lesson 8, and our icon statement for today is I can observe relationships among the shapes, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do on in this lesson is we're actually going to make our shapes, okay? And you'll do this also in your Zern lesson, so make sure you have some scissors and a sheet of paper in your Zern lesson also. So I just have a square sheet of paper here. And as you can see, this sheet of paper has 4 right angles because it's a square. Okay, so remember, a square is the most complex or special shape because it has all the parts. It has all the attributes needed. It's a closed shape with 4 sides. It has 4 right angles, and it also has 2 sets of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side. Okay, remember on our train track, this side and this side, top and bottom, are parallel to each other. So it's the most unique shape or the most special shape with all the attributes in there. Okay, but I'm going to cut up this square sheet here and start to make other shapes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right down the middle. And from that, okay, I'm going to make 2 triangles. Okay, 2 right angle triangles. Here's the right angle that you can still see here. That's not a full right angle. It's being cut apart because it came from the square, but I can see a right angle here. Not a right angle. That's not a full right angle. A right angle is where when the sides meet, it makes a square. Okay, I have 2 right angle triangles here and here. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one up a little bit more. Okay, now here I don't have I've created a new right angle here where this corner here meets, but this is not a right angle and this is not, okay? But again, it looks like a triangle shape, and so does this look like a triangle shape, okay? If we join them together, we get another shape, okay? So we're going to start, well, we get a square. We're going to start building these shapes together later on in our lesson, but I'm going to keep these 2 pieces aside here, okay? Let's cut, and I cut this top part off here. Okay. I'm left with a big shape here. Again, a closed shape with 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay. 1 set of parallel lines. Okay, these sides are not parallel. So this would be a trapezoid, okay, because it has 1 set of parallel lines. That makes it a trapezoid, a closed shape with 4 sides, 4 straight sides. There's 4 angles in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, and 1 set of parallel lines top and bottom. So that makes it a trapezoid. Okay, and again, I have a little right angle triangle here on the top. Again, I can cut this up a little bit more and I can make another right angle triangle. Here's the right angle here. This is not a right angle, but this is a right angle here. Okay, I also can make from the big trapezoid, I can make a square. Okay, I'm just cutting it up. Okay, I make a square. Again, the most special shape here because it has all the components that we're asking for. All the attributes we're asking for. Straight sides, 4 sides, 4 angles, for right angles, and 2 pairs of parallel lines. Okay, so that's really special there. We have this unique shape here also. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, closed shape again. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. This is a right angle and this is a right angle. And we have 1 set of parallel lines, so that makes it a trapezoid. Okay, a different looking trapezoid than the ones we're looking with, but certainly a trapezoid. Okay, and if I cut it down here, again, I can make a different shape here, like a little triangle shape. And now I'm left with this shape here. Again, really cool shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And this one is a parallelogram because it has two sets of parallel lines. Okay, one set, this side and this side are parallel, and this side are parallel. Okay, so this is a parallelogram. So let's put these together. I know this is a parallelogram, so I'm going to put it straight up on our board. Okay, let me remind you of the attributes that we're talking about. We have a square, and I know we have a square, so I'm going to put it right on there. Square is any shape with 4 right angles. Okay, I'm going to draw the 4 right angles on here. 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. And all the sides are the same length, okay? This right up here is a square, okay? Any shape with 4 right angles, there are 4 right angles. Okay, let me bring it a little closer. Okay. There we go. 4 right angles here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And any square where all the sides are the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4 are all the same length, okay? We also know this here. This shape here was our parallelogram because it is a closed shape with 4 straight sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4 angles there, and 2 pairs of parallel lines. The top and the bottom are parallel, and the 2 sides are parallel also. So we can stick that up there as being a parallelogram. Okay, stick that as our parallelogram option. Okay, now I have some other shapes. A quadrilateral is a polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. I can say right here that this here is a closed shape with straight sides. Okay, so I'm going to put that on there as our example for our polygon. A closed shape with 4 straight sides. With just straight sides. It doesn't need to have 4. Closed shape with straight sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they're all straight and it's all closed in here. A quadrilateral is a closed shape with 4 straight sides and 4 angles. Okay, I can join my 2 triangles here together to make that shape. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm going to stick them together. And we can join shapes together to make new shapes, okay? So I can make it right like this, okay? Up and down the way like this. Here we are, around and around, around and around. A quadrilateral is a closed shape with straight sides, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 angles, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, okay? A trapezoid is a closed shape with 4 straight sides, 4 angles, and at least 1 pair of parallel sides, okay? Let me see how I can. Okay, so if I take the top off one of my bigger triangles, I can make a trapezoid right here, okay? So a trapezoid is a closed shape with 4 straight sides. Okay, let me just put it up and we'll see if it has all these components. Okay, closed shape with 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and at least 1 pair of parallel sides. These are parallel sides. The top is parallel to the bottom, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and outline these shapes because I know it might be harder to see on the board. Okay, so a square, a closed shape with 4 right angles. All sides are the same length. That's what we have here for a square, okay? A polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. This is a polygon, okay? It's a closed shape. Sorry, my line isn't very straight here. Okay? It's a closed shape with straight sides. There we go. 1, 2. It only has 3, but that's okay because it's still a closed shape with straight sides. A quadrilateral over here is a closed shape with four straight sides and four angles. So one side, 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, okay, and 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So that's our example of a quadrilateral. Over here we have our trapezoid, which is a closed shape with 4 straight sides. So we know it's a closed shape with 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one set of parallel sides. This is parallel to this side. Okay, these are parallel lines there. These ones are not parallel because if these ones continued, they would eventually cross over, and that is not parallel lines if they are going to cross. Okay. And then last but not least, our parallelogram is a closed shape with 4 straight sides, 4 angles, and 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, so closed shape with 4 sides, 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 pairs of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side. Okay, they can continue on their track. And this side is parallel to this side. Okay, so there is our examples of our shapes, all that we can make from one squared sheet of paper. So we've built a square, a polygon, we created a quadrilateral from 2 triangles, we have a trapezoid, and we have a parallelogram. Okay, that is us for today's lesson. I hope you have a great day. Remember to go on and do your Zern lesson and complete all components on there, and that's because that's really important to show your evidence of learning.